I am Dr. Saima Parvez, currently working as an associate professor and allergy consultant as a family physician. Today, I will be discussing how precision allergy management is transforming healthcare by integrating physician expertise with artificial intelligence and environmental data. These advances support more accurate diagnosis, personalized treatment, and better long-term patient outcomes, while keeping the clinician at the center of every decision. Hala, can you please move to slide 2? Slide 2. Yes. Before we talk about artificial intelligence and precision allergy management, I would like you to meet someone. This is Noor. She is a 20 years old university student. Like many young adults, she enjoys attending classes, meeting friends, and looking forward to her future. But every morning starts the same way. Her nose is blocked, her eyes itch and water, and despite taking her medicines, she still asks, next slide, "Doctor, why do I still keep sneezing every day even after taking all the medicines?" Well, many people dismiss allergic rhinitis as just a minor allergy. But for Noor, it means poor sleep, difficulty concentrating in class, reduced productivity, and a lower quality of life. So the real question isn't how do we treat allergic rhinitis? It is, are we treating the right patient in the right way? Because not every patient has the same triggers, the same immune response, or the same disease pattern, yet many still receive the same treatment. Today, we will explore how artificial intelligence is helping us move beyond this one-size-fits-all approach towards precision allergy management, where care is tailored to the individual patient's needs. So let's begin. In this particular case, what would you do? Prescribe another antihistamine, order a skin prick test, request a serum-specific IgE, next, or take a detailed allergy focus history first. So the correct approach is taking a detailed allergy focus history first. What does this mean? यहाँ पे हमारे पास छोटे बच्चे भी हैं, ठीक है? इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा? एक्चुअली हर पेशेंट की नीड्स डिफरेंट है, हर पेशेंट की इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स डिफरेंट है, हर पेशेंट का इम्यून सिस्टम अलग तरीके से काम करता है. तो जो एक टेस्ट एक पेशेंट के लिए है वो हर एक के लिए स्पेसिफिक नहीं है. सिर्फ एक टेस्ट कर लेने से हम उसको डायग्नोज नहीं कर सकते. हमने उसको क्लिनिकली कोरिलेट करना होता है विद द सिम्टम्स. तो उसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आपके पास डिटेल्ड हिस्ट्री हो, क्लिनिकल एग्जामिनेशन हो, टेस्ट हो, और फिर आप उन्हें सबको कंबाइन करके फिर हम एक स्पेसिफिक डायग्नोसिस बनाते हैं और हर पेशेंट का स्पेसिफिक जो ट्रीटमेंट है वो अलग है. सो गुड एलर्जी केयर बिगिंस विद गुड क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, तो व्हाई इज शी स्टिल स्नीजिंग? Previous slide, Hala, please. Why is she still sneezing? Okay. Now let's take Noor one step further. She has undergone a skin prick test. No, the previous slide. A skin prick test which is positive. She has serum specific IgE levels done. That is positive too. So do we finally have the answer? No. Because there are multiple allergens. If a test is positive, it tells us that she is sensitized. It does not always tell which allergen is actually causing her symptoms and which allergen is actually clinically relevant. This is where many clinicians face a challenge. The more tests we order, the more information we get, but not always with more clarity. So the question still remains there. What is the best treatment approach for Noor? Next. Every positive test belongs to a person. What does this mean? Before every laboratory test, there is a human story. Someone who wants answers, someone who wants reassurance, someone who simply wants to feel well again. And sometimes a patient needs to be heard only. Our job is not to interpret test results, it is to understand the person behind them. Because the goal of precision medicine is not to treat the numbers, it is to care for the people and to treat their specific illness. Precision allergy care begins with understanding the patient, not just the positive laboratory result. Next. A positive allergy test indicates sensitization, not necessarily clinical allergy. The diagnosis is made by correlating test results with the patient's history and Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Sorry, there was a light issue. Now, yes, please continue, miss.
Next slide. More tests don't always mean more certainty. And that's exactly where precision allergy management, supported by artificial intelligence, can help us make sense of the data and personalized care for each patient. Next. What is precision allergy management? It is a modern approach that uses clinical expertise, laboratory investigations, molecular diagnostics, and artificial intelligence to provide personalized care to each patient. Practice of tailoring allergy diagnosis and treatment according to an individual's genetic makeup, environmental exposure, immune response, lifestyle, and clinical history. Instead of using a one-size-fits-all approach, the treatment is customized for each patient for better symptom control and lasting relief, which is possible with precision management. Now, what is the role of the physician? Despite advances in AI, the physician remains a central in a detailed choosing interpreting test results. Now, please. So, what is the role of artificial intelligence then? When everything a doctor is doing, then how can artificial intelligence help us? AI analyzes large amounts of clinical and laboratory data much faster than humans. It helps physicians make more informed decisions. Next. So, how artificial intelligence can transform multiple data resources into personalized allergy care. Up till now, we have looked at each piece of information separately. The patient's history, her symptoms, her allergy tests, her serum biomarkers. Each one tells us something, but no one tells the whole story. This is where artificial intelligence becomes valuable. Instead of looking at each result in isolation, AI integrates all of these data points simultaneously. It identifies patterns that may not be obvious to us. It helps determine which allergen is truly deriving to the disease and supports more personalized treatment decisions. This is the essence of precision allergy management, using the right information for the right patient at the right time. So basically, AI does not replace clinical judgment. It helps us. Next, please. How can AI help in allergy care? Now that AI has connected the dots, what can it actually do for the clinicians? This is a very important question. We have seen that AI can integrate multiple sources of information, but what does that actually mean in clinical practice? AI can help us identify which patients are at higher risk. It can determine which allergens are truly relevant. It recognizes different disease patterns or endotypes. It can support personalized treatment decisions, and even it can predict which patients are most likely to benefit from specific therapies such as immunotherapy or biologics. As more patient data becomes available, AI can support continuous monitoring and help clinicians make more informed decisions over time. The goal is very simple: better decisions, better outcomes, and more personalized care. AI basically helps us transforming data into better patient outcomes. Now, how can it support clinicians from diagnosis to personalized treatment? Artificial intelligence is already supporting allergy care at multiple stages. It helps improve diagnostic accuracy, identify clinically relevant allergens, recognize different patient endotypes, supports personalized treatment decisions, monitor disease progression, and accelerate research by discovering new biomarkers and different disease patterns. Together, these applications help clinicians move from, again, I will say, a one size fits all approach to a better precision and patient centered allergy care, which is basically the need of the hour. Next, please. This is how precision allergy management works in clinical practice, from diagnosis to personalized care. It begins with patients' symptoms, a careful clinical history, which is followed by allergy testing. AI then integrates all of this information to identify the clinically relevant allergens. Based on these insights, we can develop a personalized treatment plan, monitor the patient's progress, and adjust treatment over time. The ultimate goal is very simple: providing a better quality of life to the patients. Next. So here comes the benefits of precision allergy management. It helps us in earlier diagnosis, more accurate allergen identification, fewer unnecessary tests, which are unfortunately very common in practice in Pakistan, reduced medication side effects, which is again a very important malpractice going on, especially the over-counter drugs, Anyways, it helps improve symptom control. It helps achieving better quality of life, reduce healthcare costs, prevention of severe allergic reactions, which can be life-threatening as well. It helps in personalized immunotherapy and continuous long-term monitoring and patient follow-ups. Next, please. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It is already being applied in allergy medicine. AI can assist clinicians in differentiating allergic from non-allergic rhinitis and improving diagnostic accuracy. Artificial intelligence differentiates these two by integrating clinical history, symptom patterns, physical findings, allergy test results, and environmental data. Rather than relying on a single test, it recognizes complex patterns and provides decision support to help clinicians reach a more accurate diagnosis. Basically, AI does not replace clinical judgment. It can never. It provides a probability or a decision support based on the available data. So, data keeping is very, very important. The final diagnosis should always be made by the clinician after considering the patient's history, examination, and investigations. Environmental AI models now predict pollen levels. Previous slide, Betty. Pollen forecasting. This is again very important. We can predict pollen levels, which can help patients reduce exposure during high risk periods. This is where AI comes in action. Next. It supports treatment selection by identifying patients who may benefit from most allergen immunotherapy, or biological therapies. It supports treatment selection by integrating clinical history, test results, biomarkers, and disease characteristics, and predicts which patients are more likely to benefit from allergen immunotherapy or other therapies rather than replacing the clinician. It provides evidence-based decision support for more personalized treatment. इस तरीके से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने रिसोर्सेज को भी वेस्ट होने से बचा सकते हैं. हर थेरेपी हर पेशेंट के लिए नहीं होती. जब हम ब्लाइंडली पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करते हैं तो हम हर पेशेंट के हर टेस्ट किए जाते हैं, हर पेशेंट को हर ट्रीटमेंट दिए जाते हैं, हर पेशेंट को एंटीबायोटिक्स दिए जाते हैं. उससे क्या हो रहा है, एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ रही है. ठीक है, हमारे रिसोर्सेज वेस्ट हो रहे हैं. तो एआई की हेल्प से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों से बच सकते हैं. Beyond the clinic, mobile applications and wearable devices allows continuous symptom monitoring, enabling more protective and personalized care. These examples show how the AI is already transforming the way we diagnose, manage, and monitor allergic disease. With the help of better digital tools, we can get real-time insights, better control, and we can provide better living options to the patients. Next, please. This is very important slide. It shows challenges and limitations of AI in allergy medicine. जैसे कि हम बार बार एक चीज़ को रिपीट कर रहे हैं कि AI can never replace clinicians or researchers. It can always assist us. It helps us. While AI offers tremendous potential, it also has important limitations. Its performance depends on the quality and diversity of the data used for training. Algorithms may introduce bias if certain populations are underrepresented. So presenting a clear data is very, very crucial. Protecting patient privacy and ensuring data security remains essential. Some AI models can also be difficult to interpret, making transparency and explainability important for clinical trust. Most importantly, AI recommendations must be clinically validated and used alongside professional judgment. It is a powerful decision support tool, but the clinician remains at the center of patient care, and it always will. Next, please. AI should support clinical expertise, not replace it. I hope it is clear. Next. Now, integration of physician expertise with AI. We can compare physician and AI alongside. The best outcomes occur when AI supports rather than replaces the physician. How? See, physician makes clinical judgment and AI analyzes the data. Patient communication is done by physician, but AI helps in patient recognition. Physician does the physical examination while AI predicts risks. Physician takes treatment decisions and AI supports the treatment decisions. Physician takes the ethical responsibility. AI helps in computational efficiency. Together, they improve diagnostic accuracy and treatment effectiveness. Next, please. Well, the benefits are beyond the individual. The question is, how does the community benefit from AI? It helps in better public health by earlier and more accurate diagnosis of allergic diseases and reduce disease burden in the community as well as hospitals. Reduce healthcare costs by fewer unnecessary allergy tests, more targeted treatments, and reduced emergency visits and hospitalizations. Next. Improved environmental awareness. How? By AI-powered pollen and air quality forecasting. This is very important and need of the hour. Community alerts help susceptible individuals reduce exposure. Smarter resource allocation. By predicting seasonal allergy trends, it can help healthcare systems prepare staff, medications, and clinics during peak allergy season,
Mama?
as well as
Mama?
by health education to the community. Now, previous slide, bete. It also helps No, the next one, next one. It also helps in better research and population health and improved quality of life. Next, please. Ultimately, the benefits of precision allergy care are shared not only by the individual patients but also by families, healthcare systems, and the wider community. Now, the future of allergy medicine is moving beyond treating symptoms. This is where artificial intelligence meets personalized care. The future of allergy medicine. Hello? Okay. The future of allergy care isn't about artificial intelligence. It is about better care for every patient. Next. From data to decisions to better lives. Artificial intelligence empowers clinicians and precision medicine transforms patient care. What is the take home message? Precision allergy management combines physician expertise with artificial intelligence to deliver personalized, accurate, and evidence based allergy care. It enhances risk prediction, diagnostic accuracy, treatment selection, and long term monitoring, while physician provides clinical judgment, patient centered care, and ethical decision making. Together, this integrated approach leads to better testing, improved disease control, and better understanding of the disease.
Yes, 1 second, Miss. Has someone unmuted themselves right now? If someone else has, please mute yourself because there is a distortion happening right now. Kindly mute yourself. Whoever has unmuted. Yes, Zohaib, please mute yourself. Your mic is unmute. Okay, yes, Miss. Sorry, please continue.
As AI continues to evolve, it will become an increasingly valuable partner in clinical decision making. The goal is not to replace clinicians again and again. It helps to equip them with better tools to provide the right treatment for the right patient at the right time. Next, please. So, this is Noor's journey to better health through precision allergy management. As we conclude, I would like you to think about Noor once again. She did not come to us looking for artificial intelligence. She came looking for answers. Our responsibility as clinicians has always been to understand the patient behind the test results. Artificial intelligence gives us the ability to integrate complex information, recognize meaningful patterns, and support more personalized decisions. But again, the heart of medicine remains unchanged. Technology can inform our decisions. Compassion guides them. Ultimately, the goal is not simply better algorithms, it is better lives for our patients. Thank you. Next. Any questions, bete? Previous slide. The questions one. Second last.
Yes. Thank you very much, Miss, for this amazing session. As we come to the conclusion of today's insightful session, on the behalf of Eco Quantum Solution, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to Dr. Saima Perez for sharing her valuable knowledge, clinical expertise, and looking forward perspective with us. Today's discussion on precision allergy management, integrating physician expertise with AI for better testing and long term outcomes, has highlighted an important message. The future healthcare does not lie just on technology working alone, but it has the thoughtful collaboration between human expertise, scientific evidence, responsible AI, and patient centered care. That is correct. For our young developers, researchers, students, and innovators, this session also reminds us that innovation becomes truly meaningful when it addresses real human challenges. As we develop AI powered solutions, we must not continue asking only what can technology do, but also we should ask how can technology help people live healthier and safer lives. Thank you, Saima. And thank you, Dr. Saima Parvez, for this valuable time to the EcoQuantum Solution community and for inspiring us to explore the connection between medicine, environmental factors, data, and artificial intelligence from a deeper perspective. We hope today's conversation encourages new ideas, research questions, and responsible innovators that can contribute to the earlier risk identification, better testing, personalized healthcare prevention, and improved long-term outcomes. So, lastly, I would ask anyone, do you have a question? Please ask. Yes, Myra, I think you have a question.